In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community in Reddit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your own subreddit, customize its basic details, and get it ready for members to join. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account on your browser or in the Reddit app. You can't create a community without being signed in. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Create Community or Start Community. On the website, this is usually on the sidebar, and in the app, you'll often find it in the menu. Go ahead and click on Start Community to begin the setup process. When you do this, Reddit will ask you to select the type of community you want to create. This usually includes options like public, restricted, or private. A public community lets anyone see and join. Restricted communities let everyone see the content, but only approved members can post. And private communities limit both viewing and posting to invited members. Think about what kind of space you want to build and how open you want it to be. Once you've decided, select the type that matches your goals and then click on Next to continue. Now you'll be asked to type in your community name and description. The community name is what people will see in the URL and at the top of your subreddit, so choose something clear, memorable, and relevant to your topic. Remember that once a community name is taken, you can't use it, so you might need to try a few variations. The description is your chance to explain what your community is about. Write a short, clear summary that tells visitors who the community is for and what kind of posts belong there. This helps new members understand the purpose right away. As you move forward, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Reddit may guide you through additional options such as setting basic rules, choosing a primary topic, or adjusting visibility settings. Take a moment to read each screen carefully so you understand what you're selecting. You can usually change most of these settings later, so don't worry if you're not completely sure at first. Once you finish all the prompts and confirm your choices, your new Reddit community will be created. From there, you can start posting, inviting members, and refining your settings as your community grows.